Hey guys, Nick Campbell at Pete's RV Center here. We have some pretty exciting news. Exciting if you're the customer. We recently had some units, a lot like this J-Flight here, that received some hail damage from a hailstorm that we had out at our storage lot. And the good news for you guys as customers is they are deeply discounted to try to get rid of them. The goal right now is customers are saving a ton of money by getting some lightly dented campers. I don't know if you can see here, but some sides are going to feature some small hail dents. Units are going to come brand new, factory warranted, never used, but they did receive some small damage ranging from the smallest SLXs up into the J-Flight line. A lot of really good stuff out there to save some money and make it worth your while to jump in. So come see us at Pete's RV Center. We've got a lot of these on display for you guys to go through, and I promise you the savings is worth the visit. It's Pete's RV, 417 John Fitch Boulevard, South Windsor, Connecticut here, 7 days a week or online, petesrv.com. Thanks.